Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we are going to talk about how to organize your shed. This video will take you through the most effective and efficient ways to arrange your tools, equipment, and other items to make the most of your space. So stick around for the best guide. First, install shelves. Your shed has vertical wall space that is mostly not utilized. Installing shelves on all or several walls will create more space for storage. I would recommend installing floating shelves because they make your space feel open and spacious. For ease of access and safety, place bulky and heavier items on the lower shelves and small and light ones on the higher shelves. Use shovel racks. If you have several long-handed tools such as shovels, spades, rakes, brooms, and hoes, you should consider installing a shovel rack. A shovel rack helps you organize such tools vertically on a wall. It will be easier to see them and avoid the danger of stumbling over them, especially when placed on the floor. Use hooks. Hooks are your best friend if you have no time, resources, or knowledge of building shelves or racks. There are many types of hooks depending on the types of tools that you need to hang. For small tools such as pliers, secateurs, pipe wrenches, and trowels, you can use small U-shaped hooks. Use larger hooks for tools such as brooms and shovels. You can use ceiling hooks for bulky items such as bikes that are not in use to create more floor space. Use a pegboard. A pegboard is a simple and inexpensive method of keeping your shed organized. It is especially effective when you have many small-sized tools such as pliers, screwdrivers, hammers, and pipe wrenches, among others. This pegboard has many evenly spaced holes where you can easily insert pegs, hooks, or other accessories from which you can hang your tools. It keeps your tools visible and within easy reach. Use coffee cans or empty jars. You can place small items such as bolts, nuts, and screws in coffee cans and empty jars. Ensure that you have several cans so that you can put similar items in one can. To make your items more visible, label the cans or use translucent plastic cans. So there you have it. Organizing your shed can be straightforward and rewarding, giving you a tidy and efficient workspace. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.